Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Physics with NK Bhatt. To learn concepts of physics, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon button to get notified for every new video lecture. Hello everyone, this is NK Bhatt once again with you in the series of video lecture for the chapter atom. In the previous videos, we discussed about the atomic models and trajectory of the alpha particle. Today in the same sequence I brought another important topic that is related to the spectrum of hydrogen atom and Rydberg formula. First of all, we will discuss about the Rydberg formula, then we will talk about the spectrum series of hydrogen atom. To find Rydberg formula, we use the concept of Bohr's atomic model. The third postulate of Bohr's atomic model states that when electron makes transition from higher energy level to lower energy level, a photon is emitted, and energy of photon emitted is given by the difference of energy of two energy levels, that is higher energy level and lower energy level. And we know that the formula for energy of orbiting electron in an orbit is given by E is equal to minus me4 upon 8 epsilon naught square n square h square. So if we wish to find the energies of initial and final energy levels, then we have to replace the order of the orbit. Let the initial orbit is denoted by ni and final orbit is denoted by nf. Then in this formula we will have ni square for initial orbit and nf square for final orbit. So let's see what we get after replacing the expressions for these two energy levels in this formula for energy of photon emitted. So first we will write for the energy of initial orbit, that is E is equal to minus me4 upon 8 epsilon naught square n I square h square minus inside the bracket minus me4 upon 8 epsilon naught square nf square h square. If you open the bracket, it comes to positive, so the second term has become positive. You can replace for E is equal to h nu, so h nu is equal to me4 at epsilon naught square h square common, inside the bracket minus 1 upon ni square plus 1 upon nf square. After shuffling, we get inside the bracket 1 upon nf square minus 1 upon ni square. You can replace for nu is equal to c by lambda, so h c by lambda is equal to me4 at epsilon naught square h square, inside the bracket 1 upon nf square minus 1 upon ni square. We can cross multiply, so 1 by lambda is equal to me4 8 epsilon naught square h cube c, inside the bracket 1 upon nf square minus 1 upon ni square, and finally we get 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 upon nf square minus 1 upon ni square. Here r is equal to me power 4 8 epsilon naught square h cube c. This is known as Rydberg constant, and this formula is known as Rydberg formula. So this formula is very much helpful in finding the wavelengths for the different spectrum series of hydrogen atom. That all depends on from which energy level the electron is making transition to which energy levels. Try to understand these steps once again. What we have done, we have used this formula for both initial and final energy levels and replaced in this expression for energy of photon. Then we simplified and obtained the expression minus me4 upon 8 epsilon naught square ni square h square plus me4 upon 8 epsilon naught square nf square h square. Then we replaced for energy E is equal to h nu, so h nu is equal to the same expression we are having. Then we replace for nu is equal to c by lambda, so we get hc by lambda is equal to me4 upon 8 epsilon naught square h square, inside the bracket 1 upon nf square minus 1 upon ni square. Then we cross multiply this he to the right hand side, so it became h cube into c in place of h square only, and we obtain 1 by lambda is equal to me4 upon 8 epsilon naught square h cube c. inside the bracket 1 upon NF square minus 1 upon Ni square, and this is Rydberg's constant. So 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 upon NF square minus Ni square. Rest of the things are very easy. We will take the transition of electron from higher energy level to the lowermost first, then in subsequent higher energy levels. So in this section of a spectrum series, we consider the transition of electron. We have Rydberg formula for wavelength of emitted photon, that is 1 by lambda is equal to R 1 upon NF square minus 1 upon Ni square. If electron is making transition to the lowermost energy level, then Lyman series is obtained and NF is equal to 1, Ni is equal to higher energy levels. So we get 1 by lambda is equal to R 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon Ni square. So this is the expression for Lyman series. Then next is Balmer series. If electron is making transition to the second energy level from higher energy levels, then we get 1 by lambda is equal to R 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon Ni square. This is the expression for Balmer series. If it is making transition to n is equal to third, that is NF is equal to 3 from higher energy levels, then we get 1 by lambda is equal to R 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon Ni square. So in that way we obtain the expressions for the three series. First is Lyman series, and Lyman series is obtained when electron makes transition from higher energy levels to the lowermost energy level, NF is equal to 1. Then we get Balmer series if electron makes transition to NF is equal to 2 from the higher energy levels, and formula is 1 by lambda is equal to R 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon Ni square. The next series is Paschen series if electron makes transition to the third energy level from the higher energy levels, then the expression for the wavelength of Paschen series is 1 by lambda is equal to R 1 upon 3 square minus 1 upon Ni square. In the same sequence we have two more series, and for them electron will make transition from higher energy level to the fourth and fifth energy level. Accordingly we get the next two series, bracket and Pfund series. So let's see what would be the formula for them. Bracket series is obtained when electron makes transition to NF is equal to 4 from higher energy levels. So 1 by lambda is equal to R 1 upon 4 square minus 1 upon Ni square. And next is Pfund series if electron makes transition from higher energy level to the fifth energy level, then we get Pfund series, and the expression for the Pfund series is 1 by lambda is equal to R 1 upon 5 square minus 1 upon Ni square. So in all there are 5 series: Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket and Pfund series, and these series are obtained if electron makes transition to the NF is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively from the higher energy levels. Let's see the diagram in which we can get all the series simultaneously. This diagram illustrates the transition of electron from higher energy level to the NF is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these are the expected energy levels for these 5 series. Just see the diagram. The Lyman series is obtained when electron is making transition to the first energy level, and the wavelength of these spectrum lines lie in the ultraviolet region. And next is Balmer series. This Balmer series is obtained when electron makes transition to the second energy level, and these lines are found to be in visible region. Next is Paschen series when electron makes transition to the third energy level, and these lines are found to be in near infrared region. Next is bracket series when electron makes transition to the fourth energy level. These are also in infrared, but it is far from the boundary of infrared. So these are the bracket series wavelength. And the last one is Pfund series when electron makes transition to the fifth energy level from higher energy level, and these lines also lie in the far infrared region. So in that way we could understand two concepts here. The first is Rydberg formula for finding the wavelength of different spectrum series, and then the series of a spectrum for hydrogen atom when electron makes transition from higher energy level to the lower energy levels in a sequence starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I hope this video will help you in understanding the concept of spectrum of hydrogen atom. We will meet very soon in the next video lecture. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.